I landed in Dubai on Saturday. From Saturday, 1 o'clock, they announced the airspace cancellations. அப்புறத்துலேருந்து ஹோட்டலில் ரொம்ப நல்லா பார்த்துட்டாங்க. எமிரேட்ஸ் they put us in a very nice hotel. அப்புறம் 3 daysக்கு வந்து it's very scary situation. We heard explosions almost every few hours. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பயமா இருந்தது இருக்கிறதுக்கு. ஒரு they were all interceptions. அதாவது it was not very நம்ம கண்ணில் வந்து மிசைல் அது நைட்டில் தெரியும். But it was just they were all intercepted, as in they assured that you're all safe now. But messages வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஆனா வந்து emergency அந்த missile struck messages. It was very scary situation. So we are very very happy to be back home, safe, alive. So
How are you feeling now, madam?
I'm feeling it's like freedom. It is like freedom, நிஜமாவே. So 3 days they took care of us very well. So அதனால அதை பத்தி ஒன்றும் சொல்றதுக்கு இல்லை, ரொம்ப நல்லா பார்த்துட்டாங்க. But the situation was very very scary. ரோடுலாம் துபாய் ரோட்ஸ்லாம் யாருமே இல்லை. So the roads were empty. You can only hear planes, not planes actually, like those missiles or like those drones. You could only hear those sounds. But yeah, I'm only happy that we made it out safe.